right, that's a powerful sound of that original 292 Ford Thunderbird engine. Had a little bit trouble cranking there with that 6-volt battery system there, 6-volt electrical system. But it starts and runs great. Looks nice. I think we're going to take it for a spin. All right, we're in the 55 T-Bird. We're taking off. This is actually known as Dead Man's Curve. How apropos. All right, and it's running great, sounds great. Of course, it's got tons of power, and it's almost all original. There's just a few little things, items that are not original. There's a horn over there that somebody put on there. The bullhorn. And then otherwise, the gauges are all looking good. Blinkers work. You can see it's got that manual transmission there. There's the shifter. Black carpet. And you can see this, of course, it's been reupholstered. This is the nice, it's looking nice here on the seat. Black and white seat. Alright, we're taking off again. Honk that horn one more time. That's pretty funny. Alright, of course, we've got the top off right now. You see in the pictures there, we got the hard top and the soft top. Hard top's in excellent condition, soft top also, but it's got, it's got a little damage there. But otherwise, it's running great. He's got the original owner's manual and all the original parts. So there you have it. This 55 could be yours. Just give me a call. I'm Olin Batchelor, the Memphis Motor Seller. Give me a call at 901-355-6974. That's Olin Batchelor, 901-355-6974. And this T-Bird could be yours. Dead Man's Curve again. There was a crash here just not too long ago.
Oh, really?
Yeah. This could be you.